Great, let's do this. The first thing to do when you want to organize a mobility project is to start preparing. There are different steps. But why should we create international mobility projects? By creating this type of projects, you are allowing many youngsters to live incredible experiences while growing personally. The impacts of organizing these projects are many, like improving young people's different competences and soft skills, which improve their employability, also promoting young people's social inclusion and well-being by giving them opportunities and accessibility to international experiences, especially to young people with fewer opportunities. And last but not least, promoting intercultural dialogue, tolerance and values, empowering young people and raising awareness of many topics. And which kind of projects can we create? Well, we can create many different projects which can be funded by the European Union. Some of these projects that you can create are youth exchanges, which are meetings of youngsters from different countries for a short period of time, from 5 to 21 days. We will focus our guide on this type of project, and you can have the complete description here. Then we have volunteering projects with the European Solidarity Corps, where youngsters from other countries can come to your region to make an impact. Volunteering projects can last from 2 weeks to 12 months and can be done in group or individually. There are many more opportunities. You can check them up at the Erasmus Plus and the European Solidarity Corps guides. The objectives and the priorities of Erasmus Plus. As you know, Erasmus Plus has different objectives that can change depending on society's needs. In order to fund projects, they give priority to certain topics that need to be tackled in Europe. Currently, the Erasmus Plus program focuses on 4 main topics. The first one, inclusion and diversity. The second, digital transformation. The third one, environment and fight against climate change. And the fourth, participation in democratic life, common values, and civic engagement. Take a look into the guide if you want to find more about them. We know that this is a lot of information, and at the beginning it can be really abstract, but there are organizations that can help you to create your first international mobility project. Having the support of an organization of your territory that is experienced in mobility, it's crucial to take the first step in the world of mobility projects without getting lost. At the end of the pills, you will find out more information about it. Alright, seems that you have the main info and you're ready to jump into the design part. Let's go!